Okay, so I started by talking about two different methods, method one and method two. So to use, method one, the reason why, that I say it's more native is in order to use it, all you need to do is select the column of data that you want to make a chart of. Okay, this is not all of it, this is some of it. And you just go to insert, the insert menu item, which brings up the insert ribbon. And here under charts, we can just insert a statistics chart and choose histogram. And this gives us a preview of what it would look like. But you'll notice that that this preview, the x-axis is labeled in intervals. Okay, so that's how it's kind of setting you up for method one, and that's pretty super easy to implement. However, to implement method two, what you need to do is you need to use what's called the analysis Tookpak. And where you can find that is, instead of the insert menu, you go to the data menu, and at the very end of the ribbon, there should be an analyze section with an option that says data analysis. Now, this is not turned on by default when you install Microsoft Excel. In order to get this option to show up, what you need to do is actually go to the File menu, go down to Options, and under Excel Options, you need to go all the way down to the second to the bottom item, which is Add-ins. Click that. And down here at the bottom under Manage, it says Manage Excel Add-ins, and then click Go. And here in this Add-ins window, what you'll find is that these are probably unchecked like this. So the only one you really need to check is this one called the Analysis Tookpak, but I went ahead and just checked everything. And when you check the Analysis Tookpak and you click OK, then when you go back to this data menu, you will see this option show up. So you'll have this Analyze subsection with data analysis here. And this is what we need in order to implement method two.